Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to change the country region on iPhone, and I will show you as quick as possible how we can do this. Alright, the first thing that you need to change is in settings, so we click here on settings and then from here we click on general, and then right here we scroll down to language and region and make sure that you click here on region and change the region to the country that you like. I don't do it right now because otherwise my recording will stop, but select here the region that you want to select. Alright, the second thing that we need to fix is click here on the App Store. And then right now click here right in the top on your own profile and then click here on your own profile again. Then you need to log in with your password. Oh no, we don't need it, but normally you need to log in with your password. But right now you can immediately see the country region right here. So if you click here on country and region, we can select the region that we like. So from now, select the region that you like, and then after this you change the settings region and the App Store region, and then probably you will change your region as the way that you like. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.